These two are the great combinations. This flashlight is Surefire E2D Defender Ultra, and the lens is 5.6 inches. And this is 511 Flex flashlight pouch. So I've been looking for a good pouch for this flashlight. I don't want to lose it or any damage on the flashlight, even though it's very sturdy. It's pretty heavy, very strong, and you can use it as a weapon, but it still need to be protected. So let's see. I can put this one in, and the clip, I can use the clip, and on the side, make it even more stable, just like this. So without the top, it won't fall off. And you see on here, it's the right size for it. Fold it, and just like this. I think this is pretty neat for a flashlight, especially you can find a holder that's the lengthwise is perfect. If the flashlight too short, that's no good, and even longer, that looks ugly. So I think this combination is very good, and the pouch made a very good material. It got different colors to meet your need, even got black, but I like kangaroo color better to match my backpack, the same as 511. And on the back, you can use this, hook it onto the backpack or just onto your belt. Yeah, I just do it like this. And when you need it, very easy, take it out, or if you like to, you can do this. Just like that. And the same, pretty stable, but for me, I like to do this way, because the clip can hold it more stable. Alright, I think this is a great combination, the good flashlight and the good pouch. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.